And today, we have a really special story for our friends.
Oh, really? I'm curious. Wait, before we start, can I ask you something? When you talk about yesterday, do you say, I go to the store or I went to the store?
Oh no. If you said, I go yesterday, that's the mistake. The number one mistake English learners make. Let me show you the right way. We're talking about the past. Specifically, we're going to answer the question, what did you do yesterday?
That's a classic question. We ask it almost every day when talking to friends.
Exactly. Today, I'm going to share my crazy weekend story. A day that started normal, but quickly became completely chaotic. While I tell it, you'll also learn how to talk about your own yesterday in English using past tense verbs, both regular and irregular, without even thinking about the rules.
Wow, that already sounds like a lot of fun. But why is it crazy?
Well, yesterday morning, I spilled my coffee, burnt my toast, and almost forgot my picnic basket. By the end of the morning, I was rushing everywhere.
Oh no, that sounds stressful already.
It really was. But don't worry. While sharing this story, I'll show you all the past tense verbs I used. You can practice them too and describe your own day naturally.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn and maybe laugh a little too, I guess.
All right, let's start from the very beginning. Yesterday, I woke up late. My alarm didn't ring.
Oh, wow. What time did you actually wake up?
I woke up at 8:30 instead of 7 o'clock. I jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen as fast as I could.
I can imagine the rush. Sounds stressful already.
It really was. I tried to make coffee, but I spilled it all over my shirt. Then I burnt my toast, and everything felt a little chaotic.
Yikes. Coffee stains and burnt toast. Classic morning disaster.
Exactly. And here's a quick grammar tip. Notice the verbs I just used: wake to woke, run to ran, make to made, spill to spilled, burn to burnt. Some of these are irregular and some are regular. That's how you can talk about yesterday naturally.
I see. So when we talk about yesterday, we say, I woke up late, not I wake up late, right?
Exactly. And I spilled coffee instead of I spill coffee.
Got it. So what happened next?
I had to pack my picnic basket quickly, but in my rush, I forgot the sandwiches. Can you believe it?
No way. What did you do then?
I had to run back into the kitchen to grab them. I also grabbed the drinks. By that time, I was already late to meet my friends at the park.
Wow. Sounds like a hectic morning.
It really was. And here's another tip. Notice the verbs I used: packed, grabbed, ran, grabbed, was, all past tense. You can use these to describe your own yesterday naturally.
That makes perfect sense. So, Hannah, did you finally make it to the park on time?
Well, that's the story for the afternoon. But wait until you hear what happened when we got to the park and a dog got involved. It was hilarious.
Oh, wow. I'm definitely curious now. Finally, I hope nothing went wrong.
Oh, Kevin, it did. The weather looked perfect at first, but then it started raining heavily just as we opened our picnic blanket.
No way. All the food must have gotten wet.
Exactly. our sandwiches, snacks, and drinks, everything. And my friends were running everywhere trying to save what they could.
Oh, wow. So, what did you do?
I tried to hold the blanket down, but then a dog ran straight into our picnic and grabbed our juice box.
No way. That's hilarious. Did you chase it?
I did. I chased the dog, but I couldn't catch it. My friends were laughing so hard, we couldn't even focus on the rain anymore.
Wow. Talk about a chaotic afternoon.
Yes, but while this chaos happened, I was also thinking about the past tense verbs I could use. Listen carefully: rained, ran, grabbed, couldn't catch.
Ah, I see. So, even in a crazy story like this, you can describe your actions in past tense.
Exactly. And here's another tip: negative sentences are easy to include. For example, I could say, I didn't catch the dog, or I didn't expect it to rain.
I love that. And I'm guessing you learned some irregular verbs too?
Yes, notice run to ran, catch to caught, and bring to brought. These are irregular, but they sound natural when you tell a story.
So, after the rain and the dog, did the picnic survive at all?
Barely. We packed up quickly and ran to the shelter under the trees. But that's not the end of the afternoon drama.
Oh no. What happened next?
Well, as we were leaving, I realized I lost my keys somewhere on the picnic blanket. I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find them.
Oh, wow. So, what did you do?
I asked my friend for help, and luckily they found them under the blanket. This is a great example of using verbs like lost, searched, found to talk about yesterday.
Perfect. And you can also make questions. Did you bring your umbrella yesterday? Or did it rain at the park?
Exactly. And negative sentences too. I didn't bring a jacket, so I got wet.
Wow. Your afternoon was full of adventure.
It really was. And just wait until you hear the evening story. That's when the cooking disaster and video game chaos happened.
Oh, wow. I'm already curious. I can't wait to hear the rest.
Finally, after the crazy afternoon, I made it home.
I bet you thought the weekend was over. But knowing you, something else must have happened.
Of course, I decided to cook dinner, but the stove didn't work properly. I burnt the first pan.
Oh no, not again.
Yes! Then my friend called, and we decided to play a video game while waiting for dinner to cool. It was great.
How did the game go?
The first round, I lost. But the second round, I won. My friend laughed so much.
Perfect. And all those verbs, lost, won, laughed, are in the past tense.
Exactly. And I also ordered pizza because cooking was too stressful. I ate too much, but it was worth it.
Sounds like a perfect ending to a chaotic day.
Before bed, I texted my sister to say goodnight. She lives far away, so we chatted for a while.
Nice. So, this is a perfect time to show short versus long answers for talking about yesterday.
Exactly. For example, short answer, I went to the park and got wet. Long answer, yesterday I went to the park, it started raining, the dog stole our juice, and I had to run home.
Ah, so you can describe events naturally and make the story more interesting.
Yes, and negative sentences are easy too. I didn't bring an umbrella, or I didn't expect it to rain.
And questions in the past tense would be like, did you enjoy your weekend?
Exactly. And you can mix regular and irregular verbs naturally. ran, grabbed, lost, searched, burnt, ate, texted.
Wow. Your day really had everything: disasters, laughter, and learning English at the same time.
It really did. And the best part? Every little mistake, burnt toast, spilled coffee, lost keys, is a chance to practice English naturally.
Yes. And now we want our listeners to try it too.
So, friends, did you study English yesterday?
Or maybe, did you have a funny or crazy weekend story to share?
Exactly. Write your story in the comments using past tense verbs. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn and get better.
And remember, short answers or long answers both work. You can say, I went to the park, or yesterday I went to the park, it rained, the dog stole our juice, and I ran home.
Yes, this is the best way to practice grammar without getting bored by rules.
Exactly. Learning naturally through stories is the secret to success.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English.
And comment below with your crazy weekend story. We can't wait to read it.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.